It's here, Zombie issue number 7 from Ebon Press, Psycho Fan Edition unboxing. Alright, first off the top here, you get your unsleeved comic, which this issue, man, is just fucking badass. I love this issue. I told them this was badass. And, this is a really good one. It's heading towards the end here. There's one issue left in the zombie series, and then that's it. But it's been really enjoyable. It's beyond, and it's fun. It's new. Get these comics, dickhead. All right, so you get the unsleeved edition. You get this, which is the Psycho fan cover from Puiz Calzada, who's doing Wasteland 89, coming out in November, man. And this cover, shit, stuff fell out. All right. So another cool thing that I really loved about this, I love the art, man. It's all about the art. Remove this bad boy. This cover too, right here. This is one of my favorite covers. General Fulci. Captain Fulci. Please read this series, man. Alright, so you got something like this. You kind of just... it's just... You frame that fucking thing, man. This is gonna be messy. Alright, what do we got going on here? Let's see. Only the Psycho fans got that. It's a great cover too, man. It's a really great cover. I love that. It's beautiful. Alright, so with this, you're getting a card. This is Anne summoning her demon powers to fight. It was, you know what? Also with this series, the expanded storyline, it's really good too. You got a lot of backstory. If you watch the original zombie movie, there's talk about this new voodoo priest in town that's causing all the havoc. But this is him. This is the Bianchi. It's not Bianchi. Bianchi. I forget how you pronounce that fucking name. I mean, this really... if you start from the first issue, man, it's zombie plus so much more. And it, I don't want to offend anyone, but it doesn't suck. It's actually really good. So inside, I mean, as a fan of Fulci, man, you did right by him. War as hell. I can't wait for this issue, man. The forces are dropping down on Matul, and there's going to be a big-ass epic war zone led by Zombie Fulci. It's just really good. The final frame of this comic is really good. Guts are all torn out. He's stepping off a helicopter. It's good. It's really good. This series, man, House by the Cemetery, art by Vince Locke. It's amazing. I did this in the last video. I have nothing but praise for this series. It is... He just has this style about him. And it's, again, you're expanding the universes of the Fulci films, and man, A House by a Cemetery issue 1 was so good, so good. Alright, so, what do we got here? We got that. Still love that banging ass. That's just so fucking cool. Alright, inside this guy, oh, let me get to the bottom. These are cool. The script books are the best things about Ebon Press, because you get to see how all this fucking stuff gets put together with actual like love and care and fucking finesse, and by fans for the fans. That's just simply how it goes. So anyway, you have in this book, it's my favorite thing, man. You get to see all the rough pencil marks to the final pages. And that's pretty much how it goes. You start off a comic page just with visions of how you want the page to flow, and it's really scribbly like that. And then you go back into it and you hone it down, and you finally get these beautiful, beautiful pieces. That's visionary, man. Fucking Pat. God damn, I love this guy. Okay. Last little piece is what's in here. You got 3 issues of the same comic with the Psycho Fan edition. And each has their own different cover. Oh, there it is. Again, this was such a cool issue. I can't wait for issue 8, man. Shit is gonna go crazy. Alright. What's in it? It's not coming out. Basically. Ooh, there you go. Get another brochure. A lot of these things, man, that you just frame. And you're getting another bookmark, but a different card. Exclusive only to the fans. So these are cool. This is what you got going on. Bookmark. Really cool Peter and Anne cards, man. Come on, tell me that's not awesome. Yeah, you're taken care of, man. Go to Ebon Press, buy some comics, man, and just sit for a day and just look at all this stuff and become a fan. Oh, there it is. The bookmarks, I love the bookmarks too, because I actually use them. God, it's so awesome. All right, it's just everywhere. I'll see everybody on the next video. That is so fucking cool, man. I love these. Please keep doing these. I love these. They're great because you can put these in really neat like light boxes or frames and then just make this dope ass set. Dope. Dope. Absolutely worth the wait getting this comic. You should too. Get it. Oh, here are the other issues. It's a series, man. It's a beautiful series. Just keep... Yeah, man. Love you guys. Take care of yourselves.